name's Ruaan. I'm the owner of Model Tech Hobbies, as well as the owner of Pretoria East Slot Car Club. There's quite a few clubs in South Africa, most of which are based in the Gauteng area. There are a few guys down in Durban, Cape Town and Bloemfontein that's also race. We're currently racing at the club on a polycar track. It's an Italian-made product. We obviously got the track pieces from Polycar. We also sell them that we use to build the track. The track isn't a copy of any specific racetrack that's on the Formula One or Endurance Championship schedules. The classes that we do race include a classic Formula One class from around the 70s. We've got your more modern day endurance LMP cars. We've got the older mid-90s DTM cars or Group A touring cars that we race. We've got a GT3 open modified class. Then we've got a GT3 more just a standard production as the manufacturers produce the models that we race. I mentioned quite a few classes. One of the classes where I mentioned the GT3 Open, I'm busy actually setting up a Audi R8. So if you want to follow me, I can quickly show you a bit more of what the insides of the car looks like and how we basically prepare the cars. Okay, so here we get to the car. The idea that we've got today is to basically build or show you how to build some of the components on the cars. There's a lot of parts that's going to go in from another car that I used to race, which is not performing as well any longer, but the motor and the gears, quite a few of the components actually still work extremely well. So we will start by fixing the motor mount into position. Once I've done that, I always just want to make sure that the chassis is still level. After I've done the motor mount, I always first install the rear axle to make sure that nothing is binding. From here on, we'll now need to do a lot of fine detailed work to get the car to run at its optimum performance. But luckily, we actually do have a car that is completely set up that we can take around the track for a spin and maybe race some of the guys at the back here. Okay, so you basically get your normal plug and play controller. This one, you now get quite a few settings that you can adjust to basically, there's quite a few integrate settings here, but at the end of the day, it's just basically how the power gets delivered and applied to the car. Our current lap record is around 6.2 seconds around a 28-meter track, so that does get you up to around 32-33 kilometers an hour on average. So being a scaled speed, you're looking 30 times 32, give or take. So no, they go extremely fast. All the cars that the guys race on a Thursday night at the club, and then if anything does go wrong and you need spares, as you can see, it's almost like we are the Goldwagen of the slot car industry in South Africa. So you guys are more than welcome to come and give us a visit to see what we've got.